Good evening, Steve. So, what I'm recording here is task, the test task that you sent me via Upwork. So among the websites that I found, a bad example of a law firm sales website that I found was this one. Um, First of all, because I do not see that it has any SEO strategy. It doesn't have any keywords, which is basically what people look for when they try to find these type of products. Also, I do not think it's a good idea to use these type of photos. The website does not have a Spanish version, and all of this is kind of, to me, it looks a bit desperate, as if they were trying to sell no matter what. So a lot of information and a lot of ads and chats and messages pop up when you're searching through the website. Um, when you go to the Meet Our Team, I found that the photos are not too professional. For example, this one. And there's not really much information about each of the team members. So it like I would not know which of them to choose or who of them would be able to help me out if I needed help from this law firm. Also, this I think it's um like they're not taking good care of the website because it doesn't have the information here, or there's an error on the back end. So those are the things that I would improve on this one. And then a good example that I found was this one. First of all, the colors that were used. I think they look pretty professional. They do have a version in Spanish of the website, so I believe that helps to get a wider market. Also, the photos look pretty professional. The fact that they have this information here about the certificates that they have, it basically gives confidence to clients. Um, as you can see here on top of the website, it shows the keywords that they're using for the homepage, for example. So they do have an SEO strategy for this one. And that means that it is properly structured, or at least from what I know. And it's going to be easier for people to find it. So the more they show up in searches, the more clients they're they might get. The web photos, they do look pretty professional, especially because they're all in the same format. And in comparison to the other one, if you go to the attorneys, it shows you a list of each one and you can click on it and it will tell you the types of practice areas that each of them handle. So you kind of have an idea of who to reach out, depending on what you need. Um, they do have the client review section pretty well taken care of. So they have different reviews from clients. They explain to you, well, basically what information to include if you're going to reach out to them. And they do have a lot of text, but it's important and relevant information that can be used when a client is trying to make a choice um, to hire an attorney. So I think this is a pretty good example of a well-built website.